In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Python version incompatibility error in Blender 5.1 when installing the free Gscatter add-on. First, open your web browser and search for Gscatter. Click on the Graswald website link, head over to the store, and sign in to your account. Then click the Download Gscatter button at the top right, pick your version, and download the zip file to your PC. Now open Blender and navigate to Edit, Preferences, and select Get Extensions. Click the drop-down menu in the top right and choose Install from Disk. Select your downloaded Gscatter zip file, and right away, you'll see the red Python version incompatibility error at the bottom. To fix this, open File Explorer. And navigate to your Blender AppData path. AppData/roaming/Blender Foundation /Blender/5.1/extensions/user_default/Gscatter. Look for the Blender_manifest.2ml file. Right-click it, select Open With, and choose Notepad or VS Code. Scroll down to find the Python version requirement and update or remove the restriction so it matches your current Blender installation. Then save the file. And restart Blender. Open Preferences once more. Go to Add-ons. Search for Gscatter and check the box to enable it. The add-on will now enable cleanly without throwing any errors. Now you can open the Gscatter panel in your Viewport, load up your ground plane, select an asset from the browser, and start scattering smoothly. Thanks for watching.